In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for YouTube video ideas fast and easy. If you're a content creator on YouTube looking for inspiration for your next video, then leveraging Google Trends is a great option. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you discover what people are currently interested in and how you can tailor your content to match these trends. Let's dive into the short and straightforward process to tap into these insights. First, head over to your browser and type in Google Trends. This will lead you to Google's powerful tool designed to analyze the popularity of top search queries. Once you're on the Google search results page, click on the Google Trends link. This will take you to the main page of Google Trends where the magic begins. When you arrive on the Google Trends homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is shift the search type from web search to YouTube search. This is crucial because you want to focus on what's trending specifically on YouTube rather than on the web overall. This adjustment ensures that you are targeting the interests of viewers on the platform you're creating for. Next, click on the Explore button. This is where you begin to tailor the data to suit your needs. Now let's head over to the filter options. Here, you have several valuable settings at your disposal. Start by adjusting the location filter. You can select a specific country if your audience is focused in a certain region, or you can choose worldwide for a more global perspective. This flexibility allows you to align your content with regional or worldwide interests. Now we're going to look at the time range to refine our searches further. If you're aiming to produce content that capitalizes on current, viral trends, select the past 7 days option. This captures what's catching fire right now and helps you tap into those fast-moving trends. Conversely, choosing the past 12 months option is ideal for identifying evergreen topics that have shown consistent interest over a longer period. Evergreen content can bring views steadily over time, without the immediacy of trending topics. It's also helpful to narrow down your focus by choosing a specific category that aligns with your channel niche. Whether it's technology, food, or sports, this step ensures you're drilling down into the most relevant trends and not getting sidetracked by irrelevant data. Once your settings are all in place, click on the search type option and make sure it's set to YouTube videos. This ensures the trends you're observing are specific to video content on YouTube. Finally, take advantage of the Compare feature. You can use the plus Compare button to weigh multiple topics against each other, allowing you to see which video idea has greater demand. This feature is particularly helpful in deciding which of your ideas is more likely to succeed based on current interests. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently use Google Trends to brainstorm new and exciting YouTube video ideas that are backed by data, setting you up for greater success in engaging your audience.